In today's video, I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM7 error number 1020 that says storage full. If your storage is full, then try deleting at least 5 recipes and to free space, and then it should work. So let's go to my recipes and, for example, bookmarks, recipe lists, then select a recipe that you would like to remove. Then I'll remove another one and another one. And see if that helps. Also try restarting your device by pressing and holding on the power button. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.